like when you drop the ball, it's gonna come out, but it's not gonna like start floating in the air because it's almost the same thing as if someone's standing here and throwing a ball. It's just going to like come back. Cause it's like almost the same thing as if somebody's standing right here, and then he throws the ball. It's not gonna like start floating in the air. It's just gonna come back to his hands.
If we were to follow the ball over some days, over a period of time, how will the ball move? So you drop it in, where does it go? And then where does it go after that?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
But what I heard you say is you drop it in, it'll go to the other end.
Like if it gets to the other end, it's not going to start floating in space. It's just going to come back.
What do you mean come back?
It's just like if somebody's standing here and he throws a ball in the air, it's not going to go away. It's going to
land right
It's
there?
going to come back here.
I see. So what you're saying is it's going to go all the way through, but it won't keep going. It's going to fall back.
Yeah.
It's going to land on the ground, or is it going to stay there?
Maybe. I think.
What's causing it to come back?
Gravity.
We'll move over here. Tom?
There are a couple things that stop it from happening altogether. One, there's all the magma inside the Earth, which stops it, which means that you pop it in, and then it falls down, and then it just goes wee.
Well, let's say that the tunnel has no magma. It's magma-free. We have a special strategy for keeping it clear.
And also the water would fall in from the sea, and since the world is spinning, it just like turns you into it's like a yo-yo, so it just bounces on the different sides. So when you jump in, and I think that what happens is you go straight down, and then you build up loads and loads of speed over those millions of miles through the centre of the Earth, and then when you hit the centre of the Earth, then you're going so fast that you have enough momentum to get right out of the other end, and then hopefully someone will catch you. Unlikely, but just hopefully someone will catch you, and then...
And if they didn't catch you, what? What would
then
happen?
you just complete it, you just repeat it all again. You just go straight down and you go really fast, then the momentum makes you go against the gravity, because I mean the gravity doesn't just make you jump through the hole and then you go whee and then splat on the table, and then because there's the magnetic field which is pulling everything down into the centre of the Earth, but fortunately that doesn't happen because of the Earth's surface.
So what I heard you say is the ball would go all the way through, and then it would come back again.
Yeah.
Now, if we looked at it over 20 years, a long period of time, how will the ball continue moving over time?
Well, there are two things that could happen. Either it just sort of goes, like, slows down and then lands in the middle, or it could just, like, keep on going with the momentum, or it could just, like, eventually it lands in some football pit, soccer pitch, and then they just kick it out and then it lands in somewhere else.
Second graders.